Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, I decided to create this quick video because I have some issues using Anaconda in this machine that is a Linux-based machine. Okay, this Dell computer I install. Ubuntu, and right now I would like to install again TensorFlow, okay? And also I had some difficulties using Anaconda in order to run Spyder, okay? What I will do today is I will install again. Well, first I will open here the terminal, okay? Let me open the terminal. And the first thing that I would like to do is I would like to create a new environment, okay? What I want to do is create a new environment. And inside this environment, um, I would like to create, to install TensorFlow 2, okay? And there are many ways to do this, and what I will do is create a new environment. I will call this environment TensorFlow, yes, and TensorFlow environment, okay? And I will say that this is the environment that I would like to install TensorFlow, okay? That is what I am doing right now. What I am doing right now is using Conda to create a new environment that the name is TensorFlow environment and install inside TensorFlow, okay? Right now, Ubuntu is connecting and is asking if I would like to install TensorFlow 2. Let me show you the full screen here and I will say, yes, please install everything. Right now, the computer is connecting to internet and finding everything. And right now we have here an environment, and this environment is called TensorFlow environment. Okay. What I will do now is I will activate this environment, Conda. I will activate the environment that is called TensorFlow environment, okay? Right now it's activated. You can see here at the very end. And what I will do now is conda install Spyder. Okay, right now it's connecting and it's finding the package that need to be installed, and I will say yes. And right now it's connecting to internet and downloading and preparing the transaction for installing Spyder in this environment. Okay, right now it's ready, and let me call Spyder. Okay, okay, it's growing spell Spyder. And right now I am opening Spyder, okay? What I will do now is I will create a new Python file, okay? What I will do now is the classical hello world, okay? I am doing this because hello world is the most used testing if everything is all right in one software, and it's quite popular, okay? And this script, print hello world, okay? What I will do is initially I need to import TensorFlow. Remember that we are using TensorFlow 2 as TensorFlow, okay? What is the next step? The next step is I would like to create a constant. Okay, what I will do now is create a constant. and I will call this constant message, okay? And this constant will be, where is, okay, it should be here, somewhere here, yes. I will use this, and the method will be constant. Okay, this is okay, constant, and I will say, okay, this is we need to define here hello world using TensorFlow 2. TensorFlow 2. Okay, then that we create this, what I will need to do is just print the message. Okay, that is what we want to do. We want to print the message. And to print the message, I will say just tf.print, that is the command, that is the method that is allow me to print this. And right now, what I will do is print the message, okay? And I will save this file, save as. I will hello here world, and I will say this is 2, okay? Okay, right now we have the file, and what we will do is run. Oh, Jesus, and right now we have an issue. In the line number 11, yes, sorry, there is a typo here. Let me save, run again. And as you can see over here, you can see we are using TensorFlow 2, and you can see here that it's saying, okay, hello world using TensorFlow 2.0, okay? Um, well, this is the output that you will get when you run the um, the hello world. However, as you can see over here, you will find the is hello, no hello. And let me run again. Yes, right now here we have hello world using TensorFlow 2.0. Okay. And this is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope this video helped you to solve the problem about hello world. Okay. Um, Probably you are wondering, okay, what is the problem with Hello World? That there are many videos and tutorials on internet, but all of them are based on TensorFlow 1.0. If you are using TensorFlow 1.0, you must remember that the structure is very different, and you must start a session and do some other stuff, including running the structure and the session. And when you are using TensorFlow 2, everything is simplified. As you can see over here, it's just in creating a constant and then printing the constant. That's all. Okay. Well, thank you very much. I hope you don't have the problems that I have. And also, you can see that I installed Spyder into my new environment, okay? If you are rookie using Ubuntu with Anaconda, I suggest please forget everything that you learned from Windows, okay? Because in Windows you can create the environment, update the environment, and so on directly inside Anaconda. But for Ubuntu, everything is better if you do everything using just the terminal, okay? Well, again, thank you very much for watching the video. That is all for today. I hope you enjoy. Bye now.